Hello, this is James again from Denmark. Today we are going to introduce a new model of laser cleaning machine. Our patented cleaning head is very different.
It's scientific design and dust-proof.
It's 2D laser cleaning and have different cleaning pattern. And also we can have a screen on it as you, it's optional as you required. So it's very airtight. And this is the new model. And so today we'll just make the test for you about the cleaning effect, okay? Alright, so our engineer just ready, okay?
We're going to clean the paint on the wall.
Okay, you can see it's cleaning very fast. Okay.
Now we clean from the other direction.
Okay. So lastly, the cleaning effect.
And finally, we do cleaning with the light mode. So this is the difference between before and after cleaning. Thank you for your time. If you are interested, please contact us.